Yep, 4 of them so far. And I think I got one buried. One buried still under all the pile. Something else. What's up, Rally Peeps? Back at it again. It's a Friday. It's a beautiful, beautiful freaking Friday. Like, finally. Anyways, so just got home from work. I thought I'd show you what I've been doing. Give you a little update. Quick update. That ends up being 10-20 minutes long for some reason. I don't know. Oh, look at it. It's gone. Well, it's not really gone. It's right there still. It's about time to make a fire. That's about what time it is. So, yep, that's my plan this weekend. Get the rest of these walls down. Get them burnt. Get them burnt up. And then my buddy Kyle there says he's got a dump trailer he can bring over that maybe my neighbor Stan come down with his bobcat and load all that stuff in there, boy, and get this clean up. Oh, hi Emma. Up, Whoopers. What are you doing? Huh? Are you gardening? Yeah, it's a good girl. Yep, got our pile going over there. About to blaze the pile. Yep, alright, I'll check back in with you here before it gets too long. Maybe I'll just do this a couple day video. Check back in with you tomorrow. Alright, fire is lit. So am I. Anyways, now all I gotta do is get all that big pile of junk over there. Yep. Put her up on the blazing fire. Yep, I think that's how we'll finish out today. We'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Well, it's Saturday, and it's supposed to be pretty nice today. So let's show you what I got done last night. I did a little bit more after I shut the camera off. Woo! Look at this. Look at this. Look at what I did. It's like, man, it sure is getting tough over here. Aha. Oops. I probably should have closed the top on that before I started cutting through the wall. Yep, so about got that wall all burnt up besides the door. I left this one up because that's where the electrical panel is. I'll just have to disassemble that one. Got my pile started again. Gonna get the fire going here in a minute. And it's gonna another day of working on this bad boy. Try to get that wall down all the way to there. And then get that all the way to there. So I have just this corner with all my crap in it left. And pile this up as much as possible. Burn whatever I can. See how many more sleds there are under there. Here we go. Another day. Alright, a little bit into it. Got the fire blazing. Almost got her. You see a little bit of floor. Pile's getting bigger. Wood pile's getting smaller. All kinds of treasures. And look there, another sled. And garage sale. I don't have a garage anymore though. Yep. Slowly but surely. That's my next to conquer. Need some insulation? Need a stroller? Glass? What you need, Jack? Microwave? What you need? Devices stand. Transmission? Yeah, got the old boss just checking in, seeing my progress. Am I doing okay, Biscuit? Huh? Yeah, it's giving me the cold shoulder. He must be upset at me. Well, let's see where we're at. Oh, I think that was already gone. Yeah, because I showed you I kind of cut into the toolbox a little bit. Toss that in the junk pile. Got this a little bit cleaned up. Let's see if we can't back it up a little bit here. Oh no, we're zoomed in. That's just the way it is. Yep. Oh, yeah. That's coming along pretty good. Here, let me step out here where we can see we've got the fire still raging. It's been raging all day. Luckily, the wind's been blowing my way and not into the neighbors. Oh, I just found out I'm talking to myself. Yep, you're on camera. There you are. Everybody sees you. So this is where we're at. About 7:30 on Saturday. I took a couple naps today, so I didn't get very much done, but I kind of got accomplished what I wanted. Finished the night off by getting that pile burnt up, getting the rest of this down. And then I'll be pumped, and then tomorrow I can figure out what the hell I'm going to do with all that stuff. Yep. The door's metal, so I can't burn that, but I get the frame off there and I can burn that. And then it's going to be up to, yeah, this wall here and that wall and all that junk that's on there. Probably just end up dumping all that crap into a bucket and just taking it back with the scrap. And the rest, hopefully my neighbor Stan will come down and lend his hands and his bobcats, and we'll scoop this shit all up and throw it in, I don't know, either a dumpster or, like I said, my buddy's got that dump trailer. But got my scrap pile over here getting bigger. All my chairs, got an inventory list, sleds, lawnmowers. I even had to come out back here over here. Look at, I think that topper will go on my old lima bean, my Ranger. One of my dad's old toolboxes. Yeah, trees, gas tank out of the Ranger. Just crap it. You know, it's almost good, really, that this happened, because I really probably would have never in my life cleaned any of this stuff up if the garage would have just stayed. Alright, so I think I'm going to clean that pile up a little more, and I'll come back on Sunday and we'll see what more I can get done tomorrow, and then I'll finish this video off and upload her so you can all be up to date on what the hell's going on over here. A whole lot of wreckage. That's what's going on. Alright, we back. It is definitely not Sunday though. It's now Tuesday. Yeah. It rained on Sunday. Didn't feel like doing anything yesterday. So it's Tuesday. So today I'm going to try to get that wall down because it's got the electric box in it. So I'll just pull that out maybe. I don't know. All the power's off, so I ain't worried about that. But I kind of like to save all that. Just pile it up. And I did tear this wall up a little bit yesterday when I came home. Just kind of ripped that off real quick. Throw that on the burn pile. Then I gotta go through all these bolts and crap. I kind of want to save the baby jars, so I'll probably just dump all that crap in a bucket. Save the baby jars, and then I don't know what I'm doing with all that. Same thing. Dump it in a bucket, throw the glass jars away. I don't know. No clue. Yeah, gotta save the helmet. We got Pops just up here chilling. What up, Papa? Yeah. I'll wait till it's almost down, then we'll take that inside. But look at that old school. That stuff's been up there since 1984, 86, 87, I don't know, 80s. Yep. Alright, I suppose just got home from work. I guess I need to get me a fire going and start tearing her up. I'll be back. I know, man. I'm going as fast as I can. I'm only one person. I got the foreman out here checking on my work, and I don't know. He doesn't look very happy. Well, We got this one. Bro, I told you. That's the pile that's gonna go in the trash dump. Don't worry about that. That's staying, okay? I'm trying to get it all picked up. Bam, got her down. Dude, fire is raging. Look at that. Raging. Alright, got that down. Got her cut all the way back to that wall. About to cut the rest of that chunk off, and then I'm gonna have to remove all that crap before I can do much else. So I got an idea. Well, I didn't get an idea, but Mr. Chris Smith gave me an idea. What would you think if I took the Ranger, the Dale Ranger? Gotta fix the head gasket yet, but that's alright. Take the Dale Ranger and go through that back wall with it. Would that be pretty cool? That'd be pretty cool. So, here's what you gotta do. If I can get to 1,000 subscribers, yeah, it'll have to be quick though. 'Cause I ain't trying to wait too long to do this, but let's say I'm at, I think at 760 some. If we can get to 800 subscribers within a reasonable time, I will put the Dale truck through the back of the garage to finish it off. Driverless, of course. And it'll probably end up in the pond, but that would be pretty cool. So, you need to share this, get your friends to subscribe, get me to 800 so we can get the boss off my back. And I'll get all this crap cleaned up out of the way. We'll maybe tie it up to the post again. Start a burnout in first gear and then just let it go and let it just rip right through the wall. Move that out of the way and into a tree or something and into the pond. That would be pretty dope. I don't know. Alright, that's all for this video though. We'll see you when I come back for the next one. Hopefully we'll have a little bit more cleaned up that time. Give me the 800. Let's go. Rally on.